good morning all of you. I Razia Pathan from Gyananjali Vidyapeeth Standard 4. So students, today we'll start worksheet number 15, unit number 7. In that worksheet, bar graph is there. In that bar graph, how to draw the bar graph. Okay. So in that, draw a bar graph for the following data. Here is a data is here. In that data, here is the name of the villages: Manipur, Lakshman Nagar, Ajit and Kanpur. Number of the houses. In that number of the houses, 20, 14, 100 and 14 is there. Okay. So how we draw the bar graph? So in that we have to follow the step. Step number 1. First of all, we have to find the data group height and cot is there. Okay. So in that data, name of the villages and highest count 100 is there. Highest count 100 is there. Okay. Now in that, what we have to do, we have to draw two lines, vertical and horizontal line. In that line we have to write the name of the villages and name of the number of houses. What we have to write? The number of houses. Then students, we have to decide the scale. What we have to decide here? Scale we have to decide. Skip counting by 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. So we mark the standing line with the 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. Like number of the houses in the villages. So in that, Manipur, Lakshman Nagar, Ajit, Kanpur, we have to Manipur 20 peoples, Lakshman Nagar 14 peoples, Ajit 100 peoples and Kanpur 14 peoples are there. So in that you have to follow this. Now look at this everyone and draw it in your rough book. Okay students, now look at this bar graph. Show a given data in your notebook using a bar graph. So in that, the following table given a data of number of children in the primary session who use different mode of transport of lead school. Now car 10 students, bus 20 students, bike 30 students and auto 14 students are there. Okay. So in that, here I will show you a data. I will show you a bar graph. Look at this students. This is a bar graph. In that bar graph, we have to write mode of the transfer, number of the students. Heading is number of the students using each types of the mode transport. Car, how many students are there? 10. Bus 20, bike 30 and auto 14 is there. So like that you have to make the bar graph in your notebook. Okay. Then second one question is the number of the students class 4th lead public school who scored the highest in different subjects in as all. Name of the subject: English, Math, Science and Social Science. Number of the students: 6, 12, 18 and 6 is there. Okay. So now how to do students? You have to write here number of the subject, number of the students. Now number of the students, we have to decide the scale 2 scale 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 40, 60, 80 and 20. English, Math, Science and Social Science. In English, number of the students 6, Social Science, number of the students 12, Science, number of the students 16, Social Science, number of the students are 6 are there. Okay. Now first you have to look at this bar graph and write it down in your notebook students. I will give you 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now I'll show you one more bar graph. Look at this bar graph. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Okay students, so here we have completed worksheet question number A and B. Now your homework is you have to complete the question number C and D. That is your homework. Okay students, so in that worksheet number 15 is there. In that worksheet, here is a 2 variable data in a list form. Okay, class 1 to 4, number of the boys 15, 16, 10, 30, number of the girls 12, 19, 80, 40. Now here is some questions, we have to give the answers. How can we give the answers? That I'll explain here. In which classes is the number of the girls more than the number of the boys? That is the first question. So class 1, number of the boys 15, number of the girls 12. The number of the girls less, number of the boys 16, class 2, number of the girls 19. Number of the girls more, number of the boys 10, number of the girls 18. Class 3rd, girls are more. Class 4th, boys are 13, girls are 14. The number of the girls is more. So in the classes 2, 3, 4, number of the girls is more than the of boys. Class number 2, 2nd, 3rd and 4, more than girls are here. Now second number question, which class has the highest number of the students? Which class has the highest number of the students? Class 1st 15 plus 12, 27. Class 2 16 plus 19, 35. Class 3rd 10 plus 18, 28. Class 4 13 plus 14, 27. So highest number of the class is the 2. The highest number of the students in 35 is in the class 2. Now how many boys are there in the total in all classes? So we have to find the number of the boys in total. Totals means we have to add the number of the boys 15, 16, 10, 13. Number of the boys are 54 boys. How many boys are there? 50 boys in total. How many more girls are there in the class 2 and class 4? So in that, in the number of the girls in class 2 19 and number of the girls in class 4 14 is there. We have to find the how many more girls are in class 2. So 19 minus 14, answer is 5. So there are 5 more girls in class 2. There are 5 more girls in the class 2. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, now look at here. Next worksheet, worksheet number 16. Worksheet number 16. Look at the data given in the table, answer the question. Now mode of the transfer: car, bus, bike, auto. Number of the students in primary school 37, 43, 58, 31. Number of the students in high school 28, 56, 47 and 65. Now here is some questions, so we have to give the answer. Which mode of transport are used more in primary school than the high secondary school? So in that, which mode is mode of transport? Primary school 58 students in a bike and 37 students in a car. So here our answer is first one answer, bike and car. Bike and car. Now next question: which mode of transport are used more in the high school than the primary school? बस एंड ऑटो. बस एंड ऑटो सबसे ज़्यादा किसका यूज हो रहा है यहाँ पे? बस एंड ऑटो. ऑटो. थर्ड वन: हाउ मेनी मोर स्टूडेंट्स इन प्राइमरी स्कूल यूज कार देन in high school? So in that car, then how many more students in primary school use car than high school? So in that answer is 9 students. How many students are there? 9 students. Now how many more students in high school using buses than the primary school? So in that, buses are 43 minus 56 is equal to 56 minus 43 is equal to, answer is 13 students. How many students are there? 13 students. Now how many more students in primary school use bike than in the high school? So in that 58 minus 47 is equal to 11 students. How many students are there? 11 students. How many more students in the high school use auto than the primary school? So auto (65 minus 31) is equal to 5 minus 1 4, 6 minus 3 36 students, 34 students. How many more high school students use a bus than bike? Bus than bike. So in that 56 minus 47 is equal to 9 students. How many students are there? 9 students. Now look at these answers everyone and write it down in your workbook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now your homework is, okay students, here we have completed worksheet number 16. Okay, now your homework is in the worksheet number 17. Question number first and second is there, so you have to complete this worksheet number 17 and 18. Worksheet number 17 and 18, that is your homework. You have to complete that worksheet and send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. That is your homework. You have to complete the worksheet number 17 and 18 and send it to me in a WhatsApp group. Okay everyone, I hope your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.